How to set up Google Assistant on Android phone. Open the settings on your device. Find the option for Google and tap on it. Tap on the option All Services. Scroll down. Find this option for Search, Assistant and Voice. Tap on it. Now tap on the option Google Assistant. Scroll down. Find the section for digital assistants from Google. Tap on it. You can choose between Gemini and Google Assistant. Tap on the option Google Assistant. Now if you switch to the Google Assistant, it will respond through touch, or if you use Hey Google, tap on the option Switch. Now you've switched to the Google Assistant. You can go back. You can access other features as well. You can tap on the individual options and set up the settings according to your choice. For example, you can tap on the option Languages. Tap on the language selected right now. Tap on the language that you would like to use for Google Assistant. Like this, you can set up the language. Likewise, you can explore other features too. Like this, you'll be able to set up Google Assistant for Android phone. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.